below the mark of 21,700. We did try to make a recovery on an intraday basis, managed to go to that 21,660 mark, but not a runaway rally. There's definite buying fatigue which is visible at this moment. Bank Nifty, that was the weakest link today. That 1% cut is something that you need to watch out for. ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, in fact, all of the Nifty bank constituents are going home in the red. The advance decline ratio also has turned for the worse, because when we started off the day, it was more stocks advancing versus declining, and the mid cap and small cap was actually holding up in the green. That too has reversed today. The smartest link or the strongest link for the market today was clearly pharma. That index was higher by over 2% in the trading session. You had names right from a Lupin to a Biocon to a Glaxo to a Glenmark to many other names from the entire pack, Divi's, etc. as well, that were all perking up anywhere between 2 to 10%. So solid gains across the board for pharma sector. Metals had an active day. Ditto can be said for energy stocks, especially the city gas distribution names. On the back of the story that we did, were also reacting positively. What lost out was real estate, so a bit of profit booking there. We didn't realize it, but that index was down over 1.25%. You also had Lodha, Brigade, DLF as some of the stocks that saw profit booking. Autos as well, after the report card was weak for December, were in the reverse gear. So Ashok Leyland, M&M, TVS Motors, these were some of your top losers. But on the gaining side, you also had Engineers India, Mrs. Bector's as some of the individual names that were interesting. But with that, we're completely out of time on this edition of the show. From the entire team who put the show together, thanks so much for being with us.